Ian Morgan. I'm a brewer at Mountain Goat in Richmond, and we're brewing today on our 60-liter Braumeister, which is essentially our pilot plant at Mountain Goat. Had it for a little over a year. Initially, it was just sitting on a table with pumps and hoses and heat exchangers sitting everywhere. Over the course of last winter, we had a bit of time, and one of our brewers is a talented welder, Craig Westwood. He built this system up for us. Nice little stainless steel cart for it. Lets us move around the brewery where we need it to be, and everything's hard piped in, so fewer hoses and kinks and connections to go wrong. Well, look, everything's pretty much been purchased here at Grain&Grape. The Braumeister purchased through Grain&Grape. We have a March pump mounted here and a small plate heat exchanger. Temperatures is taken with a hand thermometer, plugs in there through a temperature ferrule. Water in, water out, word in, word out. It's just a neater way of doing it. Yeah, we use tri-clover fittings in the brewery for their sanitary nature. And especially with being able to use the existing systems in the brewery, we converted the Braumeister over to those. Because we're doing hot cubing today, I've taken the manifold off. So this blue handled valve will sit there. We can run a CIP on the heat exchanger off of our CIP system at the brewery. Make sure everything's nice and clean before we go. You go in the deep end. It's a great, very convenient system. It lets us fill a 50-liter keg at the end of the day. So if you're looking at producing lots of beer with your mates, or got a very thirsty household, might be the way to go. You'll see some smaller Braumeister systems here today, and other products that might be more entry level. But I don't want to dissuade anyone from dropping their next lottery ticket on this bad boy. Nice piece of kit.